Saving lives and patient safety. These are our first priority. At Kamal, the products we make are as per global standards. Actually, the raw materials we use are biocompatible, and final product also. We test these at the development stage to be biocompatible. And when we look at our standards, we follow. These are actually European standards to which our product complies. And the team behind which makes these products, they are very well aware of their responsibility to make a safe and quality compliant product. After manufacturing, when the products are assembled, they are cleaned and sterilized for a long shelf life.